Hey guys, Sandy here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm scrapbooking these two photos. This was celebrating Lana's birthday. We actually ate at the Carnation Cafe in Disneyland, so let's see what I can do. Now you guys, this layout came together super quick. Sometimes layouts just do that, and sometimes they take forever. And this one came out super quick. Now I did have this kind of striped with dots photo already in my kit, and I had used it. So the only thing I did was tear it down a little bit. Now I was thinking about really giving a thick matte to that photo of Lana, but I decided not to go that thick with a matte. And again, this is a paper from my kit. So I am just going to trim that down so that it has about 1/4 of an inch border around it. And then I had this piece of paper, and I'm trying to keep pieces of paper that I normally wouldn't to play lovely leftovers with. But instead it looks like I'm using it on a regular layout. Don't worry your pretty little heads though, I have plenty of bits for lovely leftovers that I have not tossed in the bin, which normally go in the bin. So there we go. This is one of my favorite things to do with two photos, and that is to have them on an ever so slight angle and have them overlap just a little bit. I think that it's very aesthetically pleasing. It just looks good to me. I decided not to go with a photo mat for the menu. And this is a restaurant called Carnation Cafe, and it is in Disneyland. And it kind of reminds us of the plaza in Disney World. It has that feel to it. It's not the exact same restaurant, and it's not, the exact same menu and all that, but it does have that feel to it, which is why Lana chose that for her birthday dinner that we had there. We had an early dinner at the Carnation Cafe. It was delicious. So now I have this banner from the Cocoa Vanilla sticker sheet and this flower from the One Canoes 2 sticker sheet, and I'm just going to figure out how to overlap them. So I'm trying to figure out if I want, how much I want sticking out from underneath of the banner. I was thinking about putting it on top of the banner. Ultimately, I'm a under the banner decision maker this time. And I was thinking about bringing in that floral, but wasn't feeling it. I was feeling this little guy right here over in the corner though. So now I'm trying to check out and see what else I can do, and it says unforgettable, and wouldn't you know it, I forgot about it. It's actually sticking on the outside of the sticker sheet right now. It's not even where it belongs. I decided the you and me probably shouldn't go on this layout since it's not you and me in the layout. It's kind of just you. So we quickly nixed that. Now I did punch out these chipboard letters that say memories. And you guys, I do have to tell you, these letters drive me insane because the O and the R are solid, and it just drives me insane. So you'll see I find some things to put in the letters. I end up only putting something in the O, but I don't know. We might do something else. It might drive me insane that much. I felt like I needed to bring a little bit of a darker floral up here to the top. No real reason other than it has some darker florals on the bottom. And I just thought, if I got them on the bottom, might as well put them on the top. I thought about putting a weekend getaway on here because we did go for a weekend. But, that got the axe too. So now I'm just going to pop down these chipboard letters, and I'm having them in a basically kind of a not truly bouncing line. It's more of just an ever so slight wonky line. And I'm just sticking them down so that it is underneath of the photo of Lana. I thought about overlapping it a little bit, but I don't really want to do that. So I have that down, and then I pull out these puffy stickers from Paper House, and I am trying to find stuff to put inside the O and the R because, like I said, it's driving me crazy. So there it is. Now I do have these arrows up at the top. One is a wood grain sticker, one is white, and one is gold. So I like the little metallics. I decide to put the birthday cake puffy sticker up at the top, and I put this little cupcake up there too. No real reason other than I liked it and thought it was cute. She's not even holding a cupcake. Like, they gave her ice cream with sprinkles and a candle in it. But you know, it works for me. So now I'm just trying to put some things out around and see what I like. Now I like this two-toned heart, so I decided to put my puffy sticker overlapping it ever so slightly. And then I have this tab sticker that says love this place, so it went over here on Lana's photo, just so that that area wasn't so naked. Now, I don't need, you know, to have things going on in every single corner of the page, but I didn't want that to be super naked right there. This floral went on, and I love how it nestled right in that spot. I love a good nestling. So I'm going to overlap a puffy sticker on this flower just to give it a little bit of oomph and a little bit of dimension. And then I do the same over here on the left flower. I figured I had a bunch of puffy things going on up at the top, so might as well bring some puffy things down at the bottom. I added in that chipboard that says happy. I thought about adding in those rhinestone hearts. They don't make it on this layout, but they're going to have to make it on a layout sooner or later, because they've been in the stash for a while. So that is going to do it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't done that already. Click the like button if you liked it. Heck, click the unlike button if you didn't like it. And I will see you guys again real soon for another video.